Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Fierce Warrior. Today I'm gonna show you how you can screen record your Windows, Mac, or Linux for free. Yeah, man, it's for free, and it's called Open Broadcaster Software Studio. And it's even commonly known as OBS Studio. So all you have to, do is go it on your search engine and you have to just type it obsproject.com. For sure I will put the link in the description below, and after click following that link, this window gonna pop up. It you can see it's for three different things. Right now I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows. After that it's gonna download it. So to go on downloads, you have to click on these 3 points and just look for the downloads, and you're gonna go on downloads and click on this thing, this being downloaded. Click on yes, do next. But it says OBS Studio is already not running. Please close it first before installing a new version. All right. So I'm not gonna install it and gonna waste your time because it's so simple to use and so simple to install. So I'm gonna just head towards the software, how it look like. So after installing it, when you're gonna open it, it gonna looks like it. But this screen is all blank because you guys have to set up it for the first time. So I'm gonna delete my display capture tool for time being, just to let you know guys how I set up this thing. So there are a couple of cool features up there: file, edit, view, profile, scene collection, tools, and help. And if we talk about the bottom part, it says scene, sources, audio mixer, scene transition controls. Because I am using this app from 3 or 4 days, I don't know much about the app right now, but I am keep digging and digging. But right now I can only tell you how to screen record your videos. So for that, you have to, click on add in the sources section. Click on add and you have to click on display capture. It says display capture 2 on my screen because, I already added display capture 1, which I'm, recording it right now. So on your screen, it should be display capture 1. So you have to, click OK. And after that, it's gonna ask you simple questions like what kind of display you're gonna use it. So for me, there are two different kind of displays. My second display is linked with my TV with the HDMI cable. So for right now, I'm gonna use it with display one, which is my PC display. And it's gonna ask, you want to capture the cursor or not. If you want to capture the cursor, you can, tick it or untick it the way you want. And I like to capture the cursor in my videos, so I'm gonna tick this thing. I'm gonna click OK. And if this thing, as I am moving this window, it is acting like a screen mirroring thing. So if it is happening, your software is working fine. And how you can, the next question arises, how you can record your video. For that, you can record your videos by start recording. So it says stop recording right now because I'm making this video, but for you guys it should be start recording, right? So, and I haven't figured these things out for now, but all I know about, I can tell you about the audio mixers. It says desktop audio, that I muted it because I don't need it for now. I only want to hear my voice in this video, so I I this keep just playing with this aux and mic thing. So for right now, I think that will be it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow this channel, and please comment below if you have any questions about this video. All right, bye bye for now.